What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at flip-flops. There are 4 types of flip-flops: D flip-flops, JK flip-flops, and SR flip-flop, T flip-flop. We are going to look at each of them, and also we are going to look at the truth table for that. Now let's look at the D flip-flop first. D flip-flop, it will look like this. We will have D input and Q bar will be the output. Now if you look at the truth table for D flip-flop, you will have D and Q is output, and after that Q asterisk is the next state. And the truth table will look like this. We will have 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 and then 1 1 not allowed. Actually 1 1 1. This is for D flip-flop, and from this one you can see a direct relationship between D and Q asterisk. When the D and Q asterisk, when the D is 0, Q asterisk is 0, and when the D is 1, Q asterisk is 1. Okay, that's the direct relationship. Now let's look at SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop. Now SR flip-flop is, we will have SR and the next state Q asterisk 0 0 Q 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 Q 0 1 0 0 1 0, then 1 0 1 1 0 1, and after that 1 1 not allowed. Okay, so let's look at the SR flip-flop. Here we will have S, R and Q, and after that Q bar. Okay, now let's look at a JK flip-flop. The truth table for JK flip-flop is JK and Q asterisk. Here we will have 0 0 Q, then 0 1 0 1 1 Q, and that's it for JK flip-flop. This is for JK flip-flop. And the last one is, we are going to look at T flip-flop. T flip-flop, also called as toggle flip-flop. T flip-flop. Here T and Q asterisk. When T is 0, Q is here, and when T is 1, Q bar. And that's it for flip-flops. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn digital logic design 2 or computer architecture, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.